I'm not usually this inexperienced, so please, don't tell anyone. I'm a little embarrassed by it. It's my first time after all. Don't laugh at me! I've been waiting for this moment for so long. I've wanted to do this ever since I first met you. And my heart just can't wait any longer. Would you maybe like to go out of your way to come work for me at my store as a part-timer? I've been insanely busy these past few weeks, and I could use the extra pair of hands. Or 2, or 3, or 4. Why are you looking at me like that? What did you think? That I was gonna ask you out? In your dreams. There's no way I'd go out with an idiot like you anyways. What? I hurt your feelings? Good. You're just a big dummy.